We're going to Hi everyone, this is day 0 of our LU trip. We're getting ready. So we got this 818. It's my first time tasting this one, the 818. So, chinil namin siya. Hatian mo ba ako?
Cheers.
Cheers ka din. Pwede. Okay, cheers Avalu.
Cheers.
It's yummy, guys. Para siyang Cuervo. Pero a little sweet. A little sweet siya.
Anyways, guys. Dati, ito lang yan. Pero every time na may mga bisita, shot din sila. May natira pang Jaeger.
Yaga.
So, nilipat namin siya dito sa maliit.
And baon namin siya going to LU.
How's the spaghetti? Panlakas niya yung spaghetti. At ubus na actually.
Yummy. It's like Jollibee.
You should try the may Graham.
Binubusog niya ako. Ay, ito yung tinori mo ah. Yeah. Wow. Yummy, yummy. Taste test. Cheers. Sarap naman mo ah. Paano mo na-pick ng ganyan? Sarap guys. Kaingat kayo.
Good morning, guys! Welcome back!
Kasing kape? Oo, may namali-mali pa.
Today is this January 3. Happy New Year, everyone! 2025! And it's 3 a.m., quarter to 4 in the morning. And we're going to... At actually, ang daming naging challenges before matuloy ito. Kasi si Ella is a working girl. Agatha ay parang hindi siya sure. Si Iya, Gina G of course, siya talaga yung nag-push sa trip na to. Meanwhile, ako din is talagang pagkagising ko kanina ay sobrang init ko. Pero, ewan ko, biglang nawala. Parang kailangan na ng hangin. Anyway, see you guys later. Kasi parang kulang pa yung mga tulog namin and and ipapacheck pa itong sasakyan a little bit. Yes po! Okay, change of plans dahil it's raining. Ako muna ang magda-drive. And full tank na ang ating
Ready to go! Ready to go!
She's buying some. Okay.
We're finally here.
Day 1 of our LU tripping.
And ang ating Franny having a headache realness.
Hey guys! Day 1 of our La Union trip. And
So we overslept.
At kulang kami ng isa kasi sick girl siya.
True.
Plano namin is maggala and then we'll see what happens from there. Kasi the weather is not weathering. It's raining cats and dogs. Ang tinutuloyan namin, ang tawag sa kanya ay Larrazaga Skinnamarink. It's actually nice and affordable compared to the other B&Bs na tapat talaga ng beach.
Hi everyone!
Hi, we're here! We made it! We're at the beach and look at the waves! Wow! So sarap!
Shot na kami before we go to the party. Okay! This is me and my first shot.
Girls, if they wanna have fun. Girls, if they wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun.
Yeah, I like to go out.
Guys, I'm just gonna update you in the morning. Bye, everyone.
Good morning, guys. It's second day of our La Union 3.
Good morning, guys. Here's our breakfast.
Longganisa and tapa. Actually kasi nagparty kami kagabi pero sumama lang ako. Sila talagang nag-drink, party all night. Gano'n. Medyo good na ang aking feeling. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na to pero lang tayo. Anyways, we're just gonna eat breakfast by the Larrazaga. transient, right?
Yes! Hi everyone! Tapos na kami mag-get ready.
Since it's New Year, papalitan na natin ng ating cakes. Kasi wala akong energy kahapon sa bahay. So, dinala ko naman siya, guys. Ayan.
Yes!
Order natin is mango something and the signature makai po. Anyways, we're just chilling here later afternoon. Baka
Sunbait lang.
Yeah.
Feeling sunbait.
Isa-isa lang yung order namin dito. For the virus.
We're going to station 1, you know.
This is my friend Kate and her boyfriend Kale. Welcome to the vlogs. Wow, wow, wow.
Hi guys. It's so fun. Tapos paano pag ganun?
It's okay, bye-bye.
Kakatapos lang namin maligo sa beach. And we're going to eat na. We just don't know kung
Late
saan.
lunch.
Second cup of mango.
Guys, kaya kami nagbubulungan kasi may gwapo sa kabilang table. Naghahanap kami ng strategy para lumingon sa
Perfect! 25 days. 25
Yan na po. Tapos talaga doon sa mga trip, ang mga ang mga pera-pera. Shit, ayan na. May mapping na, guys. May mapping na. Oops, kumain na. Hindi pa kabayan. Oh no. Uh-oh. Hindi nakalasot. Hey guys, we're good. Bati na sila. Okay na. Okay, settled. Kasi nagkaroon ng mapping, guys eh.
Di ba yung mapping tayo?
Oh my God. Magawa ng issue. Maganda to guys sa mga vlog, may issue. Para ito yung mga sa unang clip. Cheers! Okay, dahil it's New Year. Kasi it's sunset na eh. What's your New Year's resolution?
So my New Year's resolution is healthy life, happy life, happy relationship.
Wait, diba New Year's resolution is something na...
Hindi, ano na lang, palitan natin yung resolution. Kasi for me, ang resolution naman is not happen in New Year. Gawin na lang natin, what is your goal? What is your goal this year?
That's my goal this year.
Okay, yun na
I
lang.
want to work as an RN in the Philippines and hopefully pass my NCLEX exam.
Anong goal mo, te? Wala kang goal?
Hindi. I hope I enjoy my work as an RN and ma-figure out namin ni Miko ang aming gagawin for this year. Like, to grow my business even though I'm very malayo. Yun. And happiness and financial growth. That's it.
How about you, Ella?
Me naman, enjoy the little things in life like this one. Kasi you'll never know. So, I want to cherish every moment and to lessen the negativity sa buhay ko. At saka,
Your main goal?
my main goal is to lessen the flirting and focus.
Starts now.
Starts maybe pag-uwi ng Manila. Pero yun nga, mas mag-focus muna sa sarili kaysa maghanap ng partner na mag-complete sa aking self.
Parang ang goal mo is to accept yourself, accept your own sanity. Na hindi mo kailangan hanapin sa iba.
Yun! Hindi ko na ayoko na maghanap. I want them to look for me.
People chase me, not...
I attract. I don't chase.
Yeah. Out of sight, out of mind. My goals for this year, I mean, for me, lifestyle talaga. Gusto ko na maging healthy lifestyle. Kasi nabavertigo ako lately. Naging sick girl ako nung nakaraang araw. Tapos, maging fit talaga, as in toned.
Ayun pala, nakalimutan ko.
Ayoko na ng ganitong katawa. I mean, kung nakikita nyo naman yung yung transition.
In 2025, ayun din pala yung goal ko, guys. Transition period.
Transition period daw siya. Magiging trans man ka lang. I mean, yung pagbabago ko, tumaba ako sobra nung 2020, last year. 2023, sobrang taba ko nun. Gusto ko siya maayos, as in talaga. Wala lang. For myself naman yun, not for anyone else. And main goal ko talaga is yung mga dreams ko ay matupad. Yes, if hindi tayo papalain doon, sana magkaroon ako ng trabahong related din sa
Passion.
Sa passion ko. And yun, and with that,
Welcome to the 2025 La Union trip. This is Agata.
This is Iya.
This is Chris.
And this is Ella.
And this is our LU trip. Malapit naman sa actually sunset na onti-onti. Enjoyin na namin to, guys. Bye.
And this.
Shut down, ngayon pa lang. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep. 'Cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a day. 'Cause even when I dream of you. Ayun, go back. Thank you, guys. It's already 9:22. Dito kami mag-dinner sa Habsa.
Hi, guys.
Yes.
Going sleepy. Tapos kangaroo.
9:41 magti-10 na. Yeah!
Okay. Ang drinks ay Jaeger and Jose Cuervo.
Purple.
Wala kaming 2 weeks so Coke na lang. At umiinom kami dito sa likod ng car. Hi! Anyways, jump kayo.
To my vlog.
Hi guys!
This is our last day.
Our last day, kaka-check out lang namin. Talagay ba bawal pumarada? Dito wala.
Ito ate, pwede siguro. Or dito. Yan o. Okay, nagkakaroon po kami ng ano, where do we park?
Pero may nakapark naman eh. Saan pa kaya?
We're having our lunch. Dito kami. Ulit.
Bye!
Hello!
Hello, the universe! Bibili kami ng Coco Mama for our desserts. Grabe food trip namin ngayon.
For the vlog lang. I named down name.
Yes, I know that.
How'd you know my name? Joke lang.
Thank you! Hi guys!
Hello!
Coco Mama! Hello! I am Iya.
I'm Chris.
I'm Ella. This is our LU trip 2025.
Hala! Hinaward niya yung sasakit kasi hindi siya magdadrive. Akala ko siya na. Yeah, gusto mo mag-Elliot. Tapos hala! Akala ko magdadrive. Ikaw magdadrive. Happy New Year!
So what's happening?
Yes. Kuya, palagay na rin ng water.
Wait ko siya natin dito.
Action! Bye, ate! Oh, may transition yan.
Hi!
Zola!
Happy New Year daw, guys.
Happy New Year!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Ted!